So why do we need punctuation? Punctuation allows the author's writing to be easy to read and understandable for the reader. Okay, if we use proper punctuations, then only the sentence will be clear to us. Like I just give you one example. Where are you going? If I'll put full stop, then will you understand that I'm asking you a question? Okay. So if I'll put the correct full question mark over here, where are you going? Then you are able to understand that I'm asking a question from you. Okay. Punctuation marks are very important. Clear? So next we are going to learn types of punctuation. Types of punctuation: period, comma, colon, question mark, quotation marks, exclamation point, parenthesis, brackets. You can say apostrophe. Okay. Apostrophe we use mainly in contractions and possessive to show possessiveness. Now, first one.
Ma'am, what is colon?
What are you saying?
Ma'am, what is colon?
Colon, that is 2 dots. Okay. Semicolon, 1 comma and dot. Clear? Now period, use at the end of a sentence. I went to the store for groceries. Period. Use at the end of indirect question. He asked where the milk was. Okay. Next, use a comma to separate words or items in a list. Like you can see here, she has 2 dogs, 3 cats, 1 bird, and 5 fish in her house. So here we have used comma to separate all items. Okay. She has 2 dogs. She has 2 dogs, comma, 3 cats, 1 bird, and 5 fish. Use a comma to separate a city. When we want to separate a city, again we are using comma. I am from East Lansing, Michigan. Use a comma to separate a day of a month. When you are putting a day of month, 4th, 1990. Use a comma to separate 2 adjectives. Where the word and can be inserted between them. She was a young, beautiful dog. Thank you. Okay. So we use a comma to separate the day of a month or the year. You can see here that we have separated the day and year. Okay, 4th, 1990. Use a comma to separate 2 adjectives. When you are writing 2 adjectives, then we use a comma. Like she was a young, beautiful dog. Up to this much is clear, children? I think there is no problem. Now question mark. Where we are using a question mark when we are asking any question. Will you come over after school? Use the exclamation point to show emphasis. When you want to show any emphasis. Summer is in 3 months. So you are putting exclamation sign. Use quotation marks. We use in indirect and direct speech. We have seen what is your favorite color, she asked. Periods and commas always go inside quotation marks. Okay, you can see here. Then colon. Colon is 2 dots. Example on my trip I will bring. When you are making a, use a colon after a complete sentence to introduce. When you are introducing a list of items, then we use this. Okay, the key points were, so we put colon. Use a colon after the greeting of the person's name. When you are greeting a person's name in a business letter, use that colon. Example, dear Smith. Now parentheses are brackets. Use parentheses to enclose words or figures that clarify or are used as aside. He received 150 points, 150 on this math project. Apostrophe, normally we use in possessive words or in contractions like you will see here. She's only, it is contraction here. Then use apostrophe to show possession. Place the apostrophe before the S, like they found Miss Corner's gloves. Okay. Now we are having 7 types of punctuation mark: period, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, quotation, semicolon, parenthesis. A teacher asked him to sit next to her. full stop, then we don't have to school. Full stop here is period, you can say. Then what is this? Can you tell me? Can you tell me which type of punctuation mark is it? Punctuation mark. Come on, tell me.
Apostrophe.
This is
Ma'am,
And this is an
apostrophe.
apostrophe.
very good, apostrophe. And this one, April 30th.
Comma.
And this is
Ma'am,
comma.
comma.
Yes. Then this.
Colon.
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 And this.
Colon.
Quotation.
Inverted.
Quotation.
Inverted commas. Inverted commas.
This.
Inverted
Exclamatory sign.
And this.
comma,
Commas.
commas,
This is.
Apostrophe.
Apostrophe.
Full stop.
stop,
Stop.
Next.
Inverted commas.
Inverted commas.
Colon.
colon, question mark,
Bracket.
Yes.
Bracket.
Parenthesis.
Last is
Parenthesis,
comma.
Yes.
comma.
Question mark. Comma. And
Question
comma.
mark, comma.
I think this is clear now to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
Yes, ma'am.